Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, Lafayette Parish in south-central Louisiana, Southern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, St. Martin Parish in south-central Louisiana, St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mamou to near Church Point to Lafayette to near Iraq, moving northeast at 70 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chautauqua, Port Barre, Godot, Prairie Ronde, Acadiana Regional Airport, Savoy, Lawtell, St. Martinville, Whiteville, Church Point, Carencro, Melville, DuPont, Grand Coteau, Breaux Bridge, Cecilia, New Iberia, Palmetto, Cancton, and Abbeville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Lake